If your skin is thinning, crepey, or losing that fullness, this right here is your Collagen Boost Facial. Beautiful babes, as we mature, our skin naturally starts to lose collagen. That's when you begin to notice sagging, fine lines, and that crepey texture showing up. But here's the good news. We can support our skin naturally and keep that glow going. This mask is simple, effective, and you probably already have everything at home. What you'll need is 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. You'll mix everything together until you get a smooth, creamy texture. Now let's talk about why this combination is so powerful. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and smooths the skin's surface. And again, you'll need 1 tablespoon of the plain yogurt. Now, honey draws moisture into the skin, helping it to stay hydrated and plump. Again, take 1 teaspoon of raw honey. And then finally, aloe vera gel soothes, hydrates, and supports skin elasticity. I added 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Now listen, this doesn't replace collagen directly, but it helps your skin look firmer, smoother, and more youthful over time. Now to apply this, just use a thin layer. Apply a thin, even layer to clean skin. Sit back and relax for about 10 to 15 minutes and let it do its thing. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Afterwards, pat your skin dry and just take a look at that glow. Huh? What do you think? Now, you can use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. And let me tell you, consistency is what gives you results. This is simple, affordable, effective. This is how you bring that spa experience right into your home. Beautiful babes, we are not just aging, we are aging well. All right, beautiful babes, we are glowing, we are growing, and we are taking care of the skin at any age. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. And I love hearing from you. So don't forget to share this with somebody who needs this glow up in their life. And listen, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you never miss a moment with me right here on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Everything I used in today's video will be listed down below in the description box. Yes, your girl may earn a small commission, but it does not cost you anything extra. And always, this is DIY and educational content only. So make sure you patch test, take care of your beautiful skin, and do what works best for you. Until next time, stay glowing, stay blessed, and keep that sweet angel glow shining from inside out. Mwah.